Most people use Claude to write poems or basic emails. We're going to use it to build a $100 a day service that businesses actually beg for. By the end of this video, you won't just have a prompt, you'll have a fully automated AI content agency that runs while you sleep. But before we start, I need you to make a choice. Pick one of these 3 niches on the screen right now. I'm doing this in real estate, but here is the key. The only thing you swap is your feed and one word in the prompt. The system is identical, so pick yours and follow along. Step 1 is raw extraction. We need high-quality data. I've put a link to this specific RSS feed in the description. Copy it now. We are going to feed this ugly data into Claude. It looks like a mess now, but stay with me, because step 3 is where we turn this garbage into gold. Here is the first prompt. Take a screenshot. This prompt tells Claude to ignore the ads, ignore the fluff, and give us only the high-value facts. If you skip this, your final output will look like AI-generated spam, and no one will pay for that. Wait. Before we hit generate, let's be real. 90% of people watching this will just copy the prompt and hope for the best. Don't be that guy. The sauce is in how you tweak the tone, which I'm showing you in exactly 60 seconds. Now we use the context chain. We take that clean data and use prompt number 2. Look at the difference. This isn't just a summary, it's a professional industry briefing. This is what a real estate agent would pay $50 a week for, just to save them 5 hours of reading. And this works for any niche. Same system, same prompts. The only thing that changed is the feed. A tech founder gets a tech briefing, a crypto trader gets a crypto briefing. Your niche, your result. Now, for the part that makes this lazy, we are going to hook Claude into an automation. Every time a new article hits that feed from step 1, Claude cleans it, formats it, and puts it into a draft. You just hit send once a day. Because you stayed this long, I'm giving you the multiplier. Take that same brief and run it through this Twitter thread prompt. Now you aren't just selling a newsletter. You're selling a social media management service for the same price. You now have a complete business, built from 1 feed and 3 prompts. And this is just one blueprint. There's a whole library of them, everyone built the same way, waiting for you at ideasrepay.com. Go pick your next one, and I'll see you inside.